Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how to link an anchor file or PDF file or whatever media file you want to add into your website's blog or articles or posts or even pages. So to do that, first of all you need to open the WordPress account of yours and go to your dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp admin. So this page will be opened for you. Right after that, and you have to go to media. But first of all, for those who are not familiar with this page or don't have it, guys, I've made a lot of videos about this page, about how to create your first website, about each section of this menu to get familiar with it. So make sure to watch it all first, then come back to this video. Now you can, after you get ready, this page will be open for you. Here you put your username and password and you will be ready to go. So here you log in here, and then you go to this section and click on media. Here you can click on add new, and here you choose whatever files you want. So you can add pictures, files, icons, and for example much more. So that's how we can actually add them. But now we will need to link them to a post. So what you have to do is go to a post, add new post, and let's grab an article which will be something like that. Sorry guys, okay, let's copy this. Okay, something like that, and here we go. Now let's go back to our post and let's paste it in here and click on publish. So now if you want to link anything or any file in here, you can just click where you want to insert it, for example in here, and then click on add media. This picture, you can add it here. You can add even more files, for example PDF file. Can make something like that, add media, and add the PDF file in here. You can add an icon by doing something so, and you can actually link it to your Facebook page, www.facebook.com, apply, and you can do the same thing for this page, for this picture for example. So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.